Hey guys, Aaron at Retro Restores, how you doing? So we got this red lever that's freshly rebuilt now on the bench, and I just wanted to bring you along for a start. This hasn't been started yet. Don't know how it's going to go. Obviously it's been fully rebuilt. So yeah, let's get to it. So she's cuffed, chain brake's on. There we go. So you see she's oiling well. I do like to rev it up slightly, put the chain brake on just to make sure that clutch tightens up properly. It does get tightened, but it's surprising the number of clutches that I've had come off. So yeah, so starts, seems to run nicely. I'll take her outside and warm her up properly, get her dialed in. Should we just quickly pop it again, see how she restarts? So wonderful. So this saw's done. Other than tuning, I've got an elasto start coming for the customer as well. So yeah, thanks for tuning in guys. Another successful rebuild on this one. Catch you later.